Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we're going to do a little mini project. Hope it's going to be fun for you. So let's start. I'm going to create an array called band users. And we're going to populate this with something like Joe, Dave, and Bill, the usual suspects. Okay, so that's band users. I'm going to create a password, which is going to be scalar password, and we're just going to say something like admin. Okay, that's the password, and now we're going to create our first subroutine called login. So we call it sub login. And put the code in here. So print enter user name. Okay, and then we're going to get the input of the user. I'm going to call this scalar user is equal to standard input, which is going to get the input that the user types in there. Then of course we do the chomp. Okay, which is going to be user. Right, now we're going to come across and we're going to use the conditional. So I'm going to start off with the if. We use grep, which will do the searching. Then I'm going to use this as an iterator, which will iterate through the band users. So if it's equal to, let's make that look a little better. Okay, I think that looks okay. Equal to the user, then in band users, then we're going to do something. If it comes across, if it's searching and it comes across a band user, we're going to do something. Let's have a look here. So we're going to print out some info to the user. So this user is banned. Okay, new line there. So this user is banned, and then we're going to go up to the top. Try again. I'm going to create a new subroutine. So we can just jump down here. So a new subroutine is going to be called sub try again. So I'm going to start it down here. So this is going to be sub try again. Okay. Right. So we just send them back up to login again. Okay, so if it searches through here and finds the band user, it goes try again, which will send them down to this subroutine, and then this will send them back up there to login again. Right, okay. Now we're going to do the else statement, which we're going to start here. Else. Let's just bring this down here a little bit. Print user isn't banned. Okay. And now we're going to print another message to the user telling them what's going to happen now. So you can access the web. Okay. Right, so the user will see that, and I'm going to put a little time delay on this using sleep here. So I'm going to put a 2-second time delay on that. Sleep. And then I'm going to type web, which is going to be another subroutine that I'm going to create underneath here. So I'm going to create the subroutine called web. Whoops, wrong. Sub web. Okay, and now we're going to print a message to the user so they know what's going on within the program. That's going to be opening browser. And we're going to do another little sleep, give it a little pause of 1 second. And I'm going to create something here, a scalar called my URL, and that's going to be equal to, I'm just going to do a search engine, HTTPS, that's going to be colon google.com. Okay, and then under it we type system, and then start, and then the scalar URL. Okay, and that should nearly do it. All we've got to do now is call the program. So we're going to call it by saying login at the bottom here. So login, and let's just save that. Okay, let's run the program. Okay, so we've got a little bit of syntax error here, so that's something to do with like spelling or something like that. So let's just check this out. Okay, very minor, guys. That's all it was. Let's just save it. Okay, let's have a look at here. We're going to run this now. Okay, I'm going to type in a ban user. So enter a ban username, Joe. Okay, this user is banned, so what's happened here, it's searched through the users and it's found out that this user is banned, and it's printed off this message and it's done a try again. So what's happened here, it's gone to try again, which has jumped it down to this subroutine here, and then this subroutine has passed it back up here to login again. So let's try it again. Let's try Dave. Okay, he's another banned user. Okay, so this user is banned. Okay, let's try Steve. Okay, user isn't banned. You can access the web, opening browser. And there you go, everybody. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. Hope you enjoyed that, and remember to give it a big thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, do it now. Don't waste any time, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.